Bitcoin times out. You wanna know Bitcoin breaking $50,000 and all the information about the crypto universe? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, your favorite show. And today, death is sad. Remember all these thumbnails we created 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 30, 31, and so on and so forth. Well, again, death is sad because Bitcoin is all the way to $50,000, and we are so happy about that. Again, congratulations. Death doesn't know how to kill this thing. And it's so funny that it's still going up. And so Leonardo DiCaprio is back with this $50,000 video. Everybody pumping it up. And you also probably so happy because you waited for so long, hodling with diamond hands. And today is your celebration. Today, you are in the $50,000 range. We are above this line. So happy. We broke this previous all-time high in the year. And you can see we've been 8 days going up. And as you find here in Cryptonews with Rodrigo or Arnedo, the craziest charts, you have to watch this one. Just related with these 8 days going up, 8 days in the green. You can see it's not easy for Bitcoin to be in such a mood. We have 7 green candles for the daily chart here, October 2023. And here we have 7 in January 2023, the beginning of January. So we are having the same beginning as we had in 2023. So what will happen if we follow the same path? Remember, I love using this ghost pattern with TradingView, link in the description below. And you can see that if we follow the same pattern we had at the beginning of the year in 2023, well, we are going to go to $57,000 for February 2024, which is awesome. And then again, remember, that will be in the all-time high for April 2024. That was our idea from the beginning. So maybe this is the path. What happened with all the bad narratives? What happens with the gas we have in the $20,000 range? Still some concerns, some fears, but right now the market is so greedy out there. You have to consider and celebrate that we've been going down 77% for 378 days. So we had a terrible year. 2022 was awful. And then we have to wait again all this way up 2023 and 2024. We are right now. So 448 days going up like crazy. We went up 225% since January 2023, since the beginning of this rise. And we still 36% to the all-time high. Awesome stuff that we tell you about in all the videos. Do not miss any of those, because if you have, well, there is a piece of information that you don't have. Don't do that. Remember, we told you here, time is running out. Well, we tell you today, time's up, probably so. But if you want to get more Bitcoin, well, maybe you will have some more opportunities in the future. Who knows? I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. Do not FOMO too much. And remember that we might always have black swan, so Bitcoin might go lower. But in any case, according to our theory of the halving and the phases, we are done with the moment where Bitcoin can go down. And now everybody's so optimistic, and Bitcoin is number 10 in the assets in the world. We told you on X, follow us on social media, and we have this website, findontheright.com, where you can find useful applications for the crypto world in the AI world. And then you have infinite market cap, and there you can see that Bitcoin is number 10 right now. Awesome stuff. We're back in the total market cap. We are way up from $1 trillion out there. and we are heading to $2 trillion. And as I love crazy charts, and you know it, one more today, it will be how we had all this money coming into the crypto sphere. Because you can see that we were at the same point we are right now for January 2024. Then we went down here in the daily, and we are back. So money comes, money goes. And it happened here too. We had this drop, and then we keep on going higher. So what if we are gonna do the same thing we did here, and we are doing it right now at the same levels? Well, you can see here the blue lines, the blue candles, and this will bring us to 2.2 trillion for April 2024. Interesting. And we'll have to wait longer, allegedly, according to this, 2025, to have the same market cap out there. We'll see about that. Remember to watch all the videos and smash the like button. Today is a celebration day here with the weekly chart. You can see that we are way far away from this closure we wanted in 44. So if we don't have a disaster, we can say that we are good and in a healthy market going up. Remember also that the closure we are having with this candle brings us all the way back to 2021, which is crazy in my opinion. In February, we are in the 17% up right now, even though we're still at the beginning mostly of the month. And what can we do with all this FOMO we have? We are expecting Bitcoin to go to $1,000 million. I don't know, not even the amount that Bitcoin can reach. Well, here, our friend Oliver, thank you very much, telling us, just breathe, relax, stay calm, cool, collective. We knew this was coming. Act like it. And that's it. We have to relax and also consider that right now everything is Bitcoin going up, crazy up, etc. But in our plan, the idea is that we are going to go up, but we will go down after the halving, and we have to wait to 2025, allegedly, to the all-time highs. So again, this is going to ask us for patience. There's going to be there a lot of people speculating with this, taking your money. So still very good news, but still be patient out there and be careful. But we have to consider the good stuff that we are back at that $50,000. And remember that we had a lot of fiascos, like Luna crashed, FTX went bankrupt, Celsius and BlockFi collapsed, and Bitcoin and crypto was called dead. And now we are back with all those fiascos. So many YouTubers and ex-Twitters out there telling us about this. And also some interesting thoughts out there, like for example, that it's not trending Bitcoin in Google search. So the idea is that this Bitcoin going up has to do more with institutions than with retail. So picture when retail FOMOs and comes into the market. Maybe the next wedge is going to be that one. And where is Bitcoin heading? Well, today, optimistic. We have this chart telling us that in the next 4-year cycle, the top is between 250 and 300K. Awesome if it's true. Here, interesting tweet from Michael van de Poppe with the idea that Bitcoin can be between $200,000 and $500,000 in this cycle. Also here, Kyle Chassis telling us that Bitcoin is pretty much only 2x away from $100,000. So we are closer to that range for Bitcoin than to zero. And that's a good thing, just a 2x. And the idea he brings us here is that if Bitcoin is going to 2x, your altcoins are going to 10x, 100x, and 1000x. And we'll see if that's true and you became a millionaire. Gert Van Lagen telling us that in the weekly chart, Bitcoin has a head and shoulders pattern that will bring us to $150,000. Hopefully that's true. We had one, remember we talked about that in the daily, that the target was 50,000, and that was true. So we'll see if we go all the way to the all-time high, and then we start going to those levels. And tell me in the comments below the level for the next stop on Bitcoin. What do you think is going to happen? Here you can see this magnet zone according to Titan of Crypto, and it will bring us to $1 million, $500,000, something like that. Pompliano told us on CNBC, really interesting, that this institutional FOMO is bringing the market up. The idea is that you can see out there how they are buying up to 12.5x more Bitcoin per day than the network can produce. So what happens when we have the halving and there's no 900 Bitcoin coming into the market every day, but half of that, there is no offer for this demand. This is the most important argument out there. And adoption in Germany, in Berlin now, you can go to Subway and buy one of those subs with Bitcoin. Amazing stuff. The stock market yesterday went down, and you can see that we needed to wait for the market to stop trading in order to be going to keep on going higher. So you can see also consider this, that we are very, very so pegged with the stock market right now. And the stock market that is allegedly having a good time with AI. That's why Standard & Poor's 500 is going higher. Very interesting learning about crypto and learning about AI. So Rodrigo Arnedo here helping you with that, with our channel, not only for crypto, crypto news, but also AI news, where you have the last information. You have a new video right now. I tell you everything about the Super Bowl and those ads we have out there. And consider AI, because here you have Peter Schiff. Everybody asking if this is AI. I'm not sure if this is AI or maybe an April Fool's joke. But here we have Peter Schiff saying that Bitcoin is better than gold, which is crazy because he hates Bitcoin and he says gold is the best, etc., etc. is the character he's playing. But anyways, consider that people doesn't know if this is true, if this is AI, if this is a joke, and this is our future, a future where people doesn't know what's going on out there. That's why we need the crypto technology in order to have this safe layer on top of our digital relationships out there, not just for the money, but for everything. And congratulations to Coinbase. They didn't pay for an ad on the Super Bowl, but they decided to have this ad. The idea, I imagine, very clever, is so that they don't pay that amount of money. Maybe they couldn't do it, but now they use all the wave about the ads on the Super Bowl in order to launch this one. It's about the penny, and how sad is that those pennies are lost out there every year, and they want to be digital with Satoshis and sure with these new cryptocurrencies. Good for Coinbase. The market is right now fighting for the green. Do you think it is possible to have another day in the green? Maybe it's asking too much. Ethereum, we are so happy, but we need a little bit more to be crazy happy, because we are about to break the previous high we had in January 2024, but we are not there yet. So come on, Ethereum, you can do it. Sure you can. All the bubbles in the green, and we have the narrative today of those new tokens we told you yesterday. It's not Ordi, it's not Sats, but it's Pandora and all that crazy stuff. You can see with dextools.io, link in the description below, that Pandora still being number 2 in hot pairs. And this is mostly the narrative for the altcoins craze right now. Chico Crypto created a video about that ERC404 tokens and how to make a lot of money with this. Well, it's strange for Chico Crypto to create a video like this one, but well, he says that he is first in everything. Maybe that's true. And the idea is that he's trying to find the new ordi and the new sats. And the idea is that if these 404 are okay, in the future you can make a lot of money with Pandora here, but also with some other two. Defrogs is his choice, and another one that is called non-playable coin. So we'll see about that. I'm not gonna buy. Maybe it's a good idea for you, but I'm too old for this BS. And yeah, I can't stand it anymore. But we'll see. Maybe when Vitalik Buterin or the Ethereum Foundation says that this standard 404 is okay, maybe I will look into it, but not right now. So again, maybe it's a very, very good opportunity for making money, speculating, or maybe it's even the future and I'm missing out. So do your own diligence and then decide what to do about this. Remember that the market is in the extreme greed, which is, well, something you need to consider. We have now a hub in Torrevieja, Spain, trying to be like this Bitcoin beach in El Salvador. We have in Asturias, north of Spain, retail interested in the world of houses and stuff, and they are going to tokenize that. So, well, you can see that we have developing even in Spain right now. Everybody crazy about it with the good and the bad. And the bad, for example, the crypto taxes. Are you ready for that? Well, the company in States is already there, the campaign. So if you need maybe to do your taxes, consider using coin tracking. You have the link in the description below. It's a 10% discount. So use the link, start for free, and then upgrade, and you will have that 10%. Remember, we have to wait till June. It's okay, but in United States, they are already there, and that's going to affect the market. And I will tell you how in the next shows on CriptoNews, of course. Go, if you want to learn more about taxes, to our website, funontheright.com, and there you have this part for crypto legal things, and there you have a lot of videos, explanations about coin tracking, etc., etc. And also you have there a link to our pool in Cardano, and we just validated 2 blocks in a row. So 126 in the last couple of days. Awesome stuff. So thank you very much for bringing your ADA to our pool. Fanon, you have 0 fees and only 270 fixed costs, which is better than a lot of other pools out there. And about Solana, consider that the second phone just hit 100,000 people trying to buy it in advance. So they have those airdrops, allegedly. I'm missing out of this one too, but I wanted to share it with you. And if you want to buy some cryptos, remember, CoinW is our exchange partner. You have the link in the description below, and it's easy and it's convenient, and you will have some advantages because you are a rider on Fun on the Ride. Also, consider using the card, Crypto Card by Bit. And remember that you still have the possibility of winning $500 if you go to their social media and participate in the draw. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below so you can have the credit card, the virtual one, and up to 25 euros with my link. And then you can participate in this draw for $500. This cat is having fun celebrating with salsa that Bitcoin is in the $50,000, and this guy is ready to go to the moon. So you can see he's not going to fly, he's going to use this spaceship to the new all-time highs. You want to keep on learning? Well, remember AI News, the new video about the Super Bowl ads. If you want more about crypto, just watch one of these 2 videos. And we are researching already for more crypto here in CryptoNews. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!